Hello, my name is Deider Santero. I study in business administration. I am 26 years old. I am good in 5 semesters. I am currently a technologist in human talent management, and I work at Omnipro Colombia SAS, is which I am part of the human resource area. The application that I propose is called Toderoapp, with which consisting of the helping people with any type of simple or complex work such as kitchen damage, plumbing, gardening, etc. Basically, what is so with this app is to be able to require it to quickly help people who need the service. Since a, since a filter is made and the closest person is located. And set to carry out the work. These people do not have to be professional science. We see that there are many what are empirical and can register within the app and their services. What do you think of my idea? Toderoapp request service if I know you have in the inconvenient at the uh, home or in the office contact use us and we will help you coordination of person speed important person certification with two certificate all collaborators to always improve quality and make the client feel satisfied. Thank you.